Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Technology. In this channel, I'm going to teach you many things about phones, repairing of phones, configuration of phones. So just subscribe if you are not, and share these videos to friends who will be needing the help. So in this channel today, I'm going to show you how you can activate anti-tel. So we're going to learn how to activate anti-tel. That means when someone took your phone when you're not there, maybe charging your phone or playing a music with earpiece connected to your phone. When someone removed your phone, it creates an alarm to notify you that someone took your phone. So how can you activate that on your phone? So there are some phones that have the inbuilt anti-theft alarm, while you can also download the app too on Play Store that will enable you to activate anti-theft alarm on your phone. But I'm going to show you how you can activate it on your phone directly, the one that was inserted or inbuilt in your phone, built your phone. So what you do now is go to setting on your phone. Setting. Yeah. So the next thing you do, you come down to security. Yes. You scroll down, you see anti-theft, theft alert. You see it now. Theft alert. So now you see alert is off. So this phone is not yet activated. So what you need to do, allow it. So now the alert, the theft alert is on my phone. So now this theft alert will work on two places: charging disconnected and earphone unplugged. So this is where the two things we work on. So anytime someone just took your phone without being informed, or the phone is locked, the theft alarm will just activate. At the same time, if you want to deactivate it, follow the same process. Come down to this place, click on this, click on this. You can either verify with your fingerprint or use your PIN. So now the theft alert is off. Hope this point is clear. See you on our next video.